Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I am so excited to try out this pink sparkly product. So this is from the brand One Size, which is Patrick Starr's makeup brand that I had been really wanting to try out. So I was really excited to get this product in my May 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. I actually got two One Size products in that box. But this here is the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow that I got in the shade Everything and More. And I'm so excited that I got it in this shade. This is the pink sparkly shade, which is so me. I do feel like Ipsy is good at sending me the right shades and colors that I would prefer. But I did see this comes in some other really beautiful shades. You can even get it at Sephora, and it retails for $22. It says, get the glam with our One Swipe Wonder Liquid Eyeshadow. An eye-catching balance of glitter and pigment, this flake-free formula stays put. I love the packaging. It looks so pretty. All right, let's see the applicator. Oh, this looks like a pretty good applicator. It's a little bit smaller and shorter of a rounded tip doe foot. Here you can see what that looks like. And so before I apply it to my eyelids, I want to just do a swatch. Whoa, that is actually a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. Like that is full pink pigment, but still super sparkly. And I feel like every other sparkly kind of liquid shadow topper like this that I tried before didn't have such pigment to it. So that is a really pleasant surprise. So pretty. Here's what that swatch looks like. I love how sparkly and shiny it is. So I want to try it in the two different ways that I saw it pictured. So you can do the bold look where you paint it on full pigment, or you can do the more subtle look where you just blend it out. So on this eye, why don't I try blending it? So it's putting a little on the lid. And then I'm just gonna use my finger and blend it. So then you get a little bit more of that sheer sparkle. Oh my gosh. But it is seriously so sparkly and pretty. It looks like it has maybe some multicolored sparkles in it and of varying size sparkles. You have to work quickly if you are going to blend it out though, because it dried down pretty fast. I love it though. Sparkle just makes me so happy. So looking at this on my eye, it's just so fun. And it's definitely noticeable sparkle, but I can see how it's a little bit more subtle because it does sheer out and maybe from a distance you don't notice the sparkle right away. But get up close and there is so much glimmer on the eye. Oh, love that. And so easy to work with for a glitter, because typically if I want this glittery of an eyelid, it's so messy, difficult, doesn't stick down easily, but this is stuck on, so much glitter, but no mess. And now I'm so excited to build it up and get that full, oh my gosh, pigmented look on this eye. And then you can just seriously paint it right on. I feel like this would look so good with other eyeshadows just to really amp it up. So look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Of course, I love this because it's pink and sparkly, but it is just such an awesome formula that's super easy to use, so opaque. But now let's see. So actually, I'll just try on the swatch here. Yes, absolutely no smudging, no transfer, not even any glitter coming off in the transfer. So that is going to stay put. Wow. I love this formula. Definitely a product that I would want in other colors, like doing a full glittery eyeshadow look with a few different shades of this. Oh, I would love that. It's actually really hard to tell if there's creasing because of all the sparkle going on, but I think maybe I opened my eye too quickly before it could dry down completely, but there is actually creasing happening on my lid, but you can't even notice it from that sparkle. I have to like really look up close. So that actually is fine by me. But even just like this all over the lid, I feel like I need a little crease shade just to finish off the eyeshadow look. But I love how that looks all over the lid. Just so fun, so festive, party-ish, but you know, I think sparkles are good to wear anytime, anywhere. And if you love sparkles, I think you will love this product as much as I do. And if you have tried this, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it and your favorite ways to wear it. Like what other eyeshadows have you combined it with? Let me know what kind of looks you've done. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.